This video shows how to buy shares of Ferrexpo PLC, searching under the ticker FXPO.L, listed on the LSE PLC. Ferrexpo is an industrial mining company producing iron ore pellets, and this presentation is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. On the platform, use the search field and enter the ticker FXPO.L to find Ferrexpo PLC. Make sure you select the LSE listing to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company details and view the price chart. Confirm the company name, the LSE listing, and the FXPO.L ticker to ensure it is the right asset. Click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you wish to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this example.